Well, 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 what a transformation. This is taking an ugly duckling and turning it into a magnificent swan. This is my suite at Fairmont Mayakoba. I haven't been here for about 4 years, when the whole thing was old and tired, and well, that's what it was, old and tired. And now look at it, the whole thing has been magnificently brought up to date. We've still got the canals and the mangroves. They haven't rebuilt it, but they have beautified everything. It is a first-class example of what can be done to turn an old hotel room into something that is just right for today. This is the mini bar, which is in here. It's quite difficult to get to. This is a bit silly, but that's the only thing so far I've seen that I'm not crazy about. I love these wood dividers that just give a little bit of separation. Here's the half bathroom with a shower and a toilet. And now I'm going to go round to the bedroom. And look, the bed is now facing out. So you wake up and you look straight into the treetops. Isn't that gorgeous? I've got birds of paradise flowers and a basket and a hat. And either side of the bed, there are sockets and a fiber optic light and USB and USB ports. It's brilliant, and there's a desk behind, a long desk, where I can work and look out with that lovely view. And first-class mirror there. Walk-in closet, there always was one, but look at it now. And here we've got the main bathroom with 2 big sinks, still Le Labo toiletries, but big push pots. A lovely tub with a rail to get out of. The white striped towels that I do remember, they haven't changed those. It's just lovely, lovely, lovely. So here, with full adulation from Fairmont Mayakoba.